Do you know it is possible to withdraw $1.8 every day just for free? Yes, in this platform I'm going to show you now, I've been withdrawing $1.8 even more than daily. So this is the one I'm going to withdraw today. I've been withdrawing from this platform and I've made over $500 from this platform. I did not do anything. Yes, what you need to do is just to pay attention to this video and watch me step by step. Let me show you what you're going to do now to start withdrawing this $1.8, even up to $50 every day, depending on the amount you want to be withdrawing. Right, this is very simple, and this is a legit platform where you can make legitimate money and earn passive income every day right from your home without doing any work. Right, so let me explain this platform to you now. So this platform is KROGER8 Mining Corp. It's an innovation-focused North American digital asset exploration company located in the energy-rich Canadian province of Alberta. So they have one of the highest installed capacity in the industry, mine more Bitcoin assets than any other cryptocurrency miner or public company in the world, and provide investors with direct exposure to Bitcoin without having to create an online wallet, leave sure wires transfer, and secure store their Bitcoins. KROGER8 is delivering on its commitments to mine and hold Bitcoin and has a diversified business and revenue strategy to grow and protect shareholder value regardless of Bitcoin's market direction. So in this platform, you are going to make a whole lot of money from this platform. This platform is owned and is located in Canadian province of Alberta. So they have Bitcoin mining energy. So you are going to buy energy mining machine in this place. So that energy mining machine is going to mine for you and be able to withdraw your daily profit. So in this place now, if you want to buy an energy mining machine, what you need to do is just to come to me and first of all recharge your wallet. So if you want to recharge your wallet, just click on this place. So you copy this wallet address, right? So if you look at it, you see do not recharge other non-TRC 20 USDT assets. The fund will arrive in your account about 1 to 3 minutes after recharging. So what you need to do is just copy this wallet address, go to your exchange, any of your exchange, and transfer any amount you want to recharge to this wallet. So how do you know how much you're going to recharge? If you come to this place, like I told you, I've been withdrawing $1.8 every day from this platform. So if you want to know how the energy mining machines are, you come to this place. This is the first one, the P1. These are different energy mining machines, right? Ranges from 1 to 8. So now let me show you how you can make money from these energy mining machines. When you buy, you need 10 years to buy the first one, which is the P1 energy mining machine, and you'll be withdrawing 1.8 USDT every day from that first one, and you'll be able to withdraw it for complete 30 days. So this is the one I'm doing, right? The first one I use 10 USDT to buy, and I'm receiving 1.8 USDT every day. And if you need higher amount of money, you can buy the second energy mining machine, which is P2, and you need 80 USDT to buy it, and you'll be receiving 16 USDT every day for complete 30 days. So if you multiply 16 USDT now, if you multiply 16 USDT times 30, you see you'll be making 480 USDT for just your 80 USDT. This is awesome. You'll be making extra 400 USDT from just your 80 USDT. So if you need more money, you can buy the stock energy mining machine, which you need 200 USDT to buy, and you'll be receiving 44 USDT every day for complete 30 days. So if you multiply 44 USDT by 30, you see you'll be making 1,320 USDT with just your 200 USDT. So you are making extra 1,400 USDT with just your 200 USDT. So this is awesome, right? This is awesome. If you need the fourth one, which will be making more money, you need 500 USDT to buy the fourth energy mining machine, which will be receiving 120 USDT every day for complete 30 days, right? So if you multiply 120 USDT by 30 days, you see it's a huge money. In the fifth one, you need 1,500 USDT to buy, and you'll be receiving 290 USDT every day for complete 30 days. So if you need the sixth one, you need 4,500 USDT, and you'll be receiving 1,260 USDT every day for complete 30 days. The seventh one, you need 11,000 USDT to buy that energy mining machine and be receiving 3,300 USDT every day for complete 30 days. So the 80th one, which is the most biggest one, and there you earn most money, you need 30,000 USDT to invest in that one, and you'll be receiving 9,600 USDT every day for complete 30 days. So this is awesome. So whenever you purchase an investment project, you receive the first interest income immediately, and the remaining interest will be automatically deposited into your commission account after the daily refresh time. So all of this money will be withdrawing it every 24 hours. So immediately you deposit, you'll be withdrawing your first interest. The next 24 hours also withdraw your next interest. So this is awesome, right? This is awesome. So this is the first way you can make money from this place, right? By buying any of these energy mining machine. Me, I bought the first one. I used 10 USDT to buy the first one. So if you come to me, this team, this is another way you can earn from this platform, right? You can earn by inviting your friends to this platform. So if you register with my referral link, you are going to earn more commission, and if you invite friends, you are going to earn commission. So the first person you invite will be earning 20% of that person's deposit, and if that person invites another person, you earn 2% from that person's deposit, and the third referral commission will be earning 1% commission. So there are two ways you can earn from this platform, either by buying any of the mining machines to earn, or by inviting your friends. So this place, you make more money from buying any of these energy mining machines, so you make more profit from these ones. If you want to register, once you click on the link in the description of this video and get registered, so come here and recharge your wallet by clicking on recharge. Copy this wallet address, send any amount of money you want to use and recharge your wallet. If it is 10 USDT, I want to buy, you send 10 USDT. If you want to buy 80 USDT, you send 80 USDT. If you want to buy the one of 200 USDT, you send 200 USDT. If you want to buy the one of 500 USDT, you send 500 USDT. Anyone you want to buy, just send it to your wallet and it's going to appear here. So once you are done, just come here and click on project. So once you click on project, if it is this one, you just click on buy. If it is this one, you click on buy. So any amount you deposited, you're going to buy that one here. So I'm going to buy the P1. I'm going to click on the 10 USDT to buy now. But remember, I already have 10 USDT in my wallet. I've transferred 10 USDT from my wallet to this place. So I'm going to click on buy now. So when I click on buy now, I will wait for it. So it will load. You see, purchase successful. So I've buy this now. So this is my details. So after buying now, I'm going to see how much I've made now, and I will withdraw it to my wallet. You watch me, I withdraw it to my wallet, right? So when I go to my wallet now, this is how much I've made now. The interest I've made now is 1.8 USDT, right? Remember I said whenever you purchase, you're going to receive the interest immediately in your wallet, and you can withdraw it, which is what I want to withdraw now to my wallet address or to any of my exchange, right? And I'm going to withdraw it on the next complete 30 days, right? This is a huge money. Buy this now, you're going to withdraw your money. So how do you withdraw? If you want to withdraw your money now, you can just come straight to home, or you come to me. So if you want to withdraw, just click on this withdrawal. So go to any of your exchange. I'm going to copy my wallet address now. So this is what I have in my wallet before. I'm going to copy my wallet address. So I'm going to copy my USDT wallet address. So once I copy my USDT wallet address now, I'll choose the network. Remember, the network I'm going to choose is TRS20 network, Tron TRS20 network. So you copy it. I'm going to copy my network wallet address now. Come here. Then I paste my wallet address in this third column, right? So this is where I'm going to put the amount I want to withdraw. So the amount I want to withdraw now is 1.8 USDT. I'll put 1.8 USDT. So here I'll put my password. So once I put my password now, the next thing I'm going to do is just to click on confirm. You see, withdraw successful. So the next thing I'm going to do now is go to my wallet and check if the money has arrived. You see, they have debited me here. So I'll go to my wallet and check if it has arrived. So it has not arrived. I'll keep refreshing and wait for it when it will arrive. Right. So not arrived. I'll keep refreshing. Alright, see, it has arrived now. So I've just received the 1.8 USDT now in my wallet. Right. So that's awesome. So I've just received the 1.8 USDT now in my wallet. If I have 1.8 now, I've received the 1.8. So that's how you're going to withdraw from your wallet. So this is an awesome platform to make money daily, right? This is an awesome platform to make money daily. So if you want to earn more money in this place, You can also earn more money in this place by coming to this. You can just rush now and click on the link in the description of this video now to register and start making money for yourself. But guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button so as each time I upload some videos like this, YouTube will always get you notified. Don't forget to do your own research. Everything about make money online are all risky. We that make money online, we do our own research. So I'm not your financial advisor. Do with your money whatever you want. Make your own research. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.